art to saying no. That's the thing I've really developed over the years is I have a really good way of telling a founder it's not a fit. And it's because I started employing something years ago. Gary Vee talks about it now. If you follow Gary Vaynerchuk, he calls it kind candor. And I think there is a way to give people kind candor about why you're not investing. And I think one of the things that's lost a lot in our industry is people don't have the guts to tell founders no. They don't, more importantly, have the guts to tell founders why they're not coming in. And I mean really specific, like you don't have the traction and here's the traction you would need, or I don't like your margin and here's what I'd like to see. When you provide kind candor to founders, I think it helps them get to the next yes fact. I think founders truly appreciate it when someone has the courage to tell them they're not in, but have the courage to tell them why, as opposed to everyone uses the cliche, it's not a fit, it's too early. Well, what the hell does that mean? Like, I'm a founder having 300 conversations. Could you be a little more specific? Because I'm kind of dying on the vine over here because you're not telling me exactly what you think. So that's really where the ability to say no, but to do it in a way that still brings value to a founder, I think is really important to me.
I think it's something I've wrestled